Hey, quick pause before we dive in. You know that feeling when you sit down to work and everything just feels heavier than it should? That's the exact moment the Beelink EQI12 stepped in and reset your expectations. This is for you if you care about stability more than flash. You're the kind of person who wants a system that feels trustworthy, not exciting for 5 minutes and annoying for 5 months. You value things that stay solid under pressure. Before you get pulled in, check the current price and availability. These configurations don't always stick around, and timing quietly matters here. Your upgrade moment comes when reliability starts slipping. Network hiccups. Storage filling up too fast. A machine that technically works, but never feels confident doing it. You realize you're spending mental energy babysitting your computer instead of using it. Once this is on your desk, that tension disappears. You log in and everything feels planted. Apps open without hesitation. File transfers feel instant. There's a sense that the system is grounded, like it's built to stay consistent day after day. You feel it during long work sessions when nothing degrades over time. You feel it when running multiple displays and everything stays smooth. You feel it when your internet setup just works, especially if you rely on wired connections and don't want surprises. The performance here feels dependable, not showy. Once you experience that kind of steadiness, setups that feel fragile or unpredictable suddenly seem unacceptable. If you're telling yourself you'll wait, be careful. This is how sensible upgrades get postponed until prices shift or stock dries up, and then the regret sets in. You might wonder if this is more machine than you need. The reality is the opposite. It gives you breathing room. Multitasking feels relaxed. Storage stops being a constant concern. You don't feel like you're skating on the edge of limits anymore. The unexpected benefit is how business class it feels without being boring. The networking. The responsiveness. The quiet confidence of a system that doesn't need excuses. You start trusting it, and that trust changes how you work. Everything feels stable and predictable. Multitasking stays smooth all day. Your setup feels professional and intentional. Workflows feel faster without stress. Ownership feels secure and future-proof. It's not meant for heavy gaming loads. It prioritizes reliability over flash. Eventually, you stop comparing specs and boxes. At some point, you choose the system that lets you stop worrying and start moving forward. If you're ready to upgrade to something that simply holds its ground, check the link and make the decision while availability still makes sense. This is one of those upgrades you'll be glad you didn't put off.